Welcome to August 27th pre-market video analysis. We're looking right now at this chart, which is the Dow. Like every day, we're starting with the few lead indexes. What we're seeing right now, like I explained yesterday, we've got some topping tails in formation. One point I don't put or talk about too much, but you need to look at your chart as well. Most of the time I show them like very focused, on 2, 3, 4 months, but you need to look at it, on a larger picture because you see some of my notes of in the past. But basically, these are trend lines that I draw from a long time. I leave them on my chart, and then as we keep moving, I see, these being there on my chart, so it gives me an idea. But here's what you see when I show you my e-signal chart. So obviously we're out of this range. It's great. Topping tails, we could come back. Like I said, this could act as support now because we went through this on this move up. Now if it was to come back, it could be support. Okay, what I'm looking at right now, I'm looking at the 60-minute chart and looking at the fact that, like I was saying, it was coming back to the blue line is the 20 period moving average. We're coming back there. It's staying in this area. So this could be support, or it could break down, or we could just stay on the support and then keep moving up again. So we'll see how the market deal with that. We broke the low of Tuesday, and the one of Monday was not. So that's basically being supported there. The same type of pattern for the QQQ. Okay, it's holding, didn't really break Monday's low, so we're right there though. We're right there. So we need to be we need to know that it's a possibility that we break that and start to go down a bit today. We'll see. I guess if and we could be very surprised again and get big action and go up and just go toward that, or just stay like sideways. Still, you need to remember that for the lead, like the big stock, some of the small cap also in market in general, it applies. We're going into Labor Day weekend, and a lot of the money manager and big funds, they take the week off next week, and or if it's not the week off, they leverage some of their position, and they just they take off from Wednesday on or something like that. So you need to understand that. But you never know. In the market could have this this year was surprising in the summer, but I was kind of expecting a strong summer because of the fact that when you have such a bad market for a very year and a half, sometimes it doesn't matter if this is a summer or not. People need to make money and they stay there. Okay, QTWW right here. We're looking at this stock is consolidating in this area. Good volume day yesterday, so we'll see what happened next. Basically we need a reversal of some sort. On the daily, could be that if we go over this top today at 92 with strong volume, could be an entry, and it could coincide with a break of this. Okay. KNDR, let's go with that one. Looking at this, we're holding very well right now. It's pretty amazing. 300,000 share of volume. No real big volume yesterday, but the stock still ended up going up. We're looking at 2 red bar, but it gapped up. It was strong at the open, just came back, stayed very, very nice pattern. And I think this stock, when it goes, it will just fly. Because look at it, we got it around 13 cents, and I've been buying it on pullback, and all the time it was bouncing back up. So that's what you want to see in a stock. If you buy it on pullback and you like kind of put some bids there, like I did around this area based on the 20 moving average, if you do that and it bounces back, you've got a good chance that when the real volume kicks in, and like I told you, there's an awareness program that was started, and I think that we should start seeing some of the effect. If it's not before Labor Day, it will be after, but definitely a hold for me. And if it was to come into this area again, I would buy some more. I bought on Tuesday, so that's good. SPNG also that I got in on Tuesday. This one we're up already 35%. Look at the volume increase. It's picture perfect. When you see these things, you just want to go out. You want to back up the truck and load as much as you can. So let's call it like it is. UOMO. Waiting for confirmation that this will go up. It's not there. Need to use the 60-minute to find something, but pretty calm. NVSR, just to let you know, you're probably on your own on this at this point. I had to make a decision yesterday. What I did is this. It broke down the 3.3. The right thing is you could have got out. It's not a big margin, so I basically give myself up to 2.8. We have good profit on other trades, so that's what basically my rule of thumb is. And actually, you know what? As I'm looking at it right now, just for people, if you have good profit in other stock and you say, okay, this one is just now consolidating, and from what I see, this pivot, this low of this bar where I'm at right now, 2.7, this could be really where you want to see, if you want, because what I did yesterday is I put some bids so I can average down a bit my position. And that's what I talk about trading like a market maker, where instead of selling when everybody panic, you just buy, you just accumulate a little bit more, and this way you really have a good shot of having good trade. And you need to be able to read the chart when you do that. Now what I'm seeing is decline in volume. The stock is staying in the same range, so that's potentially interesting. Now TTNP, this one, I want you to look at this. Good increase in volume yesterday. Okay, we're getting right at this mark. Okay, that's the let's say 175. Okay, right here, you could have entered. That's basically a cup with handle. If you want to look at it this way, this is the cup, this is the handle, and we're just taking off. And when we cross this, we can really expect big volume to come in. But you can be more aggressive on these cup with handle pattern. You can go just on this here. And you know what? Your risk is you have your stop loss here. So yesterday when I saw this, I started to accumulate a bit more. And now we'll see how we go with that. But that's definitely a type of pattern you want to see. Jazz kept going up. We're up a few on this. But this here right now, I think we're starting to see some topping tails. So this is the same thing. You can expect, that I won't stay in too long if it doesn't, go well, because from past experience, it goes up, come back down. But I would have, and then when it goes, it has to go very fast, quick with volume. That's the nature of the stock. So you want to see the same thing happen again. When it changed, just tell you that things are changed, basically. Let's go quickly to a couple of other charts, and that will be it for today. TTEG was pulling back yesterday. Look at this nice base, huh? Nice, very nice. Then go back up. Pow. Just exploded. We'll find new other stock as well like that. Just a second. Okay, that's topping tail, came back down. We'll see if we get a reversal of some sort, and if the volume cooperate as well. OPSY doesn't look like it's doing anything for us to be in this stock. There's no reason to be there right now. Small volume, and it just keep declining big time. So that's it. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you for tomorrow, Friday. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.